Alright, so I'm going to show how to open up a Dell Vostro v13. So first what you want to do is just remove all the screws from the bottom. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then once you remove all the screws, what you want to do is you slide this. So hold on here and push on the base and just slide it like that. Okay. Once you slide it, you can actually lift the cover off just like that. Right, so underneath, there's not really much you can do. I don't know if there's other stuff underneath the board, but I'll show you how to remove the battery. So there's 4 screws. There'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you remove those screws, just flip up this tab and then lift this connector out, move it out of the way, and then you can pull the battery out. Okay. To change the hard drive, you remove the 4 screws here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. After you remove the 4, use the little metal tab here to lift up the drive. Once you get it slightly up at an angle, you can just use the edge and kind of help guide this and pull it out. Okay, and that's how you would take out the hard drive. If you want to upgrade it to an SSD or something, you can do that now. Okay. Then you can see here, there's the hard drive connector, and it's connected to the board with this cable. This is, I believe, an express card slot and then an SD card slot. So this board, it looks like it's removable, but I think you're going to have to be able to remove the keyboard. This is an old laptop, so I'm not going to try and mess with it and figure it out, but it looks like you'd have to push the keyboard out through here. If you're going to do it, probably look up for the part online and then see what it looks like, the keyboard on the back, so you can figure out how to take it out. This is a SIM card slot for like mobile internet. To add a SIM card, you'd have to take this screw out. I'm not sure how you would set all of that up on the OS, but that's how you would take that out. Then you got this for the LEDs, you can remove. And then you got this for the trackpad, and the trackpad buttons are here. Then you got the wireless card. Looks like you can remove it without taking this out. So you just take the screw out, but you'd have to remove the antennas. If you're removing the antennas, you might want to rotate them to the side so that way you can pry them up from the tail. And you don't want to pry from up here because you can damage them. Okay, and then you got a connector here. I'm not sure what exactly that's for. Most likely a webcam or some buttons on the top, maybe the power button. But that's basically all I'm going to show for here. The CMOS battery is under here. It's held with adhesive onto the back of this, so you can actually pull it out and then if you need to replace it. But yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to show for this. As far as upgrading, it doesn't look like there's removable RAM, so if anything, you can upgrade to an SSD and that should make it a lot better. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped. If it did, make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, bye.